Welcome to your national weather update. Today, our extreme heat warning came into force. It's valid from Thursday to Sunday, covering large parts of England and Wales. Temperatures will be significantly above average for a number of days, and that is likely to cause some health issues. As I said, covering a large part of England and much of East Wales, valid from Thursday until Sunday. And it's the longevity of this hot spell of weather with temperatures pretty high by day and by night that is likely to cause some issues. Back to the rest of today, and here's the satellite image. Not a great deal of change through the day. You can just pick out a little bit of wispy mistiness across parts of eastern England earlier in the day. Thicker cloud across northern Scotland. That weather front just isn't really shifting, so more rain to come across the Western Isles and the Northern Isles through the day, and at times just trickling into parts of the mainland too. But for the vast majority, it's dry, it's sunny, and it's hot. Temperatures a little bit higher than yesterday, probably peaking somewhere across the Midlands down to central southern England, 32, 33, maybe 34 Celsius. A little cooler on some coasts and obviously cooler with that cloud and rain in the far northwest. But southeast of Northern Ireland, 28, maybe 29 across parts of eastern Scotland as well. So the heat is pretty widespread, and it'll be a fine balmy summer's evening. A bit of a breeze still across parts of Kent, and again across parts of eastern England. We may see some mist and low cloud just forming and trickling in through the early hours. That weather front still bringing a bit more patchy rain across the far north of Scotland. Across central and southern Scotland, however, and Northern Ireland, with some clear skies and rural spots, well, temperatures could dip down just a hint of green there on the map. But for most, it will be another very warm night, particularly through the evening time, difficult for getting to sleep, and temperatures by dawn in some urban areas still in the high teens. So a warm start to another hot day on Friday. Any of this mist and fog across eastern England, that should tend to clear away. We will keep some close to the coasts throughout the day. And again, northern Scotland, particularly Orkney, Caithness, Sutherland, seeing a little bit of patchy rain. But otherwise, it'll be another blue sky day and another day of watching the mercury ticking up further. I think we'll see temperatures a little bit higher across the south. Again, it'll probably be Wiltshire up to Gloucestershire, down to Dorset, Somerset that see the highest temperatures. 35, 36 is possible. Generally elsewhere, 33, 34 degrees. A little cooler on the east coast compared to today, particularly across parts of eastern Scotland, especially if it does stay a little bit misty. Through Friday evening, again, not a great deal of change. We could see a bit more of that mist and low cloud in the North Sea, a bit more of a breeze once more across Kent, but otherwise light winds and sunny skies. There are signs of a change as we go through the weekend into next week. The high pressure that's dominating is shifting further east, allowing a bit of an easterly breeze, which is why eastern areas are turning a little cooler. But it is generally staying hot through this weekend. We're starting to import slightly hotter air across the south. So again, 35, 36 likely on Saturday. But also further south, this little area of low pressure. Exactly how it approaches and when it brings some showers, that's open to some doubt. For the majority, it's looking dry and hot and sunny through the weekend. But by Monday, with this low pressure sitting across the UK, that is likely to bring some showers across the UK, and those showers could well be heavy. Details on that will firm up on over the next few days, but we are likely to see a change as we go into next week. As I said, we'll firm up on the details, so make sure you're following the Met Office across social media and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channels.